What if we told you that keeping your intellectual property secure is as simple as this? Not only does our Fatima solution allow you to work faster and resolve issues quickly, but it also keeps your data secure and private while doing so. The Fatima solution combines video and 3D scanning to provide advanced remote assistance features. These not only allow you to see what the front worker sees, but also to see where they are in the environment. But sometimes seeing everything isn't always a good thing. You might have sensitive technology that you don't want to be shown in video, or space that you want hidden. That's why we've combined the 3D scan with the video feed to create our privacy filters. So, how does it work? You can specify the blur distance and blur amount in the settings and just start the session. Once we know where the remote worker is, we can unblur everything in that specified radius around them. Think of it as a thick fog around the worker that you can only see things as they're near. As you can see, protecting your intellectual property has never been easier. Our privacy filters allow you to stay in control and keep your data secure. And the best thing about it, there is no cloud processing required. For this demo, we've even turned off the internet. So when it comes to protecting intellectual property, why wait? Order your Fatima solution at www.pocketvirtuality.com.